Welcome back to part 4 of the On Teacher with our collaboration with Scalextric4Schools. We're now working on the body, and we've created the body in part 3. Part 4, we're now going to add the roof, and we're going to do this exactly the same way as we did with the lower part of the body, apart from we're not going to extrude it quite as far. So it's back to sketch. We're going to click on front. I'm going to name it roof, just so we know what we're sketching on, and press that N key. And press the N key. And I'm going to use the spline tool again for this one. I'm going to pick a point about there, and I'm going to curve this around my roof. Now I double click there to finish it. It's important that afterwards we make sure our roof line goes well into the body, so they intersect each other basically. So we press the tick, press extrude, click on roof, and I'm going to drag that through roughly to about the same distance as my curve there, which is 20. I can press the tick, and I'm going to round or fillet this top line, and we'll keep that to 5. Now that is the basis for the car body. What we need to do now is shell it. So we click shell, we click this side here, and then we see that we've got a few errors. We might have to do this, we might have to go back and change some bits. Okay, so it's not liking that for the moment. So we'll show you how to fix that. And to fix it, I'm going to go to this extrude. I'm going to make it 19. And just see if that will allow the shell to take place this time. There we go. And I would normally do these about 1.75 thickness and press the tick. Now that's the body shelled out. In the next episode or next part of the series, we're going to then look at how we can add some detail to this, grills, doors, cutouts, some basic things, lights might be added, but we're going to get the cutouts for the wheels done first of all, and then look at what else we can do with windows and things like that. I've been the On Teacher. I hope you found it useful. We'd love to see you on the grid in 2027. Thanks for watching.